Hi guys, Mike here from levelitude.cc. Today doing a quick unboxing and first look at Thule's RideAlong bike seat for attaching to your bike and taking your kids around the place with you. Thule are really well known in cycling, obviously, for their bike racks. I've got a few that I use a lot for carrying lots of bikes around the place. They've been super reliable. They've got a whole suite of other products, actually things like laptop cases and other things, but their bike seats I think are relatively new, so just going to run through it, have a look. So let's open it up. So this bike seat's been sitting in our house for a few days, and I expect small people in my house have been very interested in what's inside. So some packaging, looks to all be one bit. There it is. Looks like almost no assembly. A gift from someone there. So, looks really nice, not too heavy. Okay, so it's weigh-in time. It's claim weight of 5 kilos on the RideAlong. So I'm just going to try it's just on there. 5.2. So just unboxed the Thule RideAlong box. RideAlong. So just a quick look at the seat. It's all very nicely put together. It's just made of like almost one of these arm sections, one piece of molded plastic. It's important with these bike seats that sit on the back of your bike that they're as light as possible and obviously still strong enough, because having all that weight sitting over the back wheel can make the front end of your bike a bit light. So if you can keep it down, that's really good. So this is exactly as really it came out of the box. So just start from the bottom. We've got the foot straps that are adjustable and keep the kids' feet in there. So adjustable to their foot size, and they can be slid up and down here for when they're smaller and larger. Then you've got this unit here, which is the section that attaches to the seat tube of your bike, and you see the lock on the bottom there, so you can quickly detach it from your bike. It secures through these 4 holes with screws that are provided. Got a latch here, a single one-handed latch. Once that's on the bike, you can pull that, I think, and I'm pretty sure that will recline the seat. Just working our way up. Just got a single harness, which I actually really like. It's nice and comfortable for them. It's easily adjustable, and what I like the most is it's just a single point to strap them in, and that's quite hard to squeeze that. So I think it's going to be hard for little hands to squeeze both of those and undo it while you're riding, which is I've actually seen on other bike seats, kids getting themselves out of their harness while riding, which is not good at all. Got this quite thin padding, but it's actually very nice and dense, so it'd be reasonably comfortable for a trip in there. That's cool. It's orange on the other side, so I'd say you could quite easily turn that over and reverse it if you wanted to have a bit of a different look in there to make it a bit more fun for the kids. And just spin it around. puts it on here. So that's just rings, just part of the packaging. There's another lever on the back under here, just for adjusting the height of the straps. It's another good feature. It's working down. These are the bars that will attach to your bike on the back. And there you go. Let's take a good look at that. And in the box, we've got keys, which I'd like. You may be able to get that re-keyed to match all the same one as your roof rack, so that'd be cool. We have got the RideAlong instruction manual that looks massively comprehensive. Multiple languages, I'm hoping. The screws for attaching to your bike, and then there's just a bit of a quick guide here. So, overall, first impressions, really good. You can check it out at www.thule.com.au. The recommended retail price of these is $249. Which I think that's pretty good value, considering it's lockable, it's adjustable, it's pretty lightweight. Thule are known for making pretty robust products. You can buy replacement parts for most of the bits on here if you did actually have any breakages. It's quick release, so you don't need to ride around with it on your bike all the time, which is really, really good. I'll do a follow-up video once I've fitted it so we can have a look. But first impressions, really good. Remember to head over to www.lavelocita.cc, check out all our other reviews, head over and like us on Instagram and Facebook, and watch out for the follow-up review. Thanks.